In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set smart content for CTAs. Smart content helps you customize what people see in your call to action based on who they are. In HubSpot, this is done through smart rules, which allow your CTA to show different content or send users to different destinations depending on selected segments. The goal is simple: make your CTA more relevant so it performs better. Now let us go step by step through the exact process. First, navigate to CTAs inside your HubSpot account. To do this, go to Marketing, then find and open CTAs. This is where all your call to action tools are managed, so everything you need is in one place. When you land on the CTAs area, take a moment to ensure you are viewing the list of your existing CTAs, since you will be editing one of them next. Next, select the CTA that you want to update. Hover over the desired CTA in the list. Then look for the Actions drop-down menu and click it. From that menu, choose Edit. This step is important because you are moving into the editor for the specific CTA you want to personalize. While you are hovering, make sure you are interacting with the correct CTA row, since each one has its own settings. After the CTA editor opens, you will see options for creating smart versions. Now open Smart Rules. In the CTA editor, click Create Smart Version or Add Smart Rule. You may see one of these options depending on your interface layout, but the purpose is the same. You are preparing to create multiple variations of the CTA that can change based on conditions. At this point, focus on the area where smart content rules or smart versions appear, because that is where you will connect content to a targeted audience. Now you will configure what the smart content should do. Define the specific content or the redirect URL for the selected segment. In other words, for the audience segment you choose, you set what users should see or where they should go after clicking the CTA. If the CTA includes text, links, or a destination, this is where you specify the version for that segment. Keep your intended audience and offer in mind while you make these changes, since smart content only becomes useful when the displayed variation matches the segment. Once you have set the content or redirect destination for your smart rules, the final step is to save your work. Click Save to apply the smart rules to your CTA. This action makes sure your changes are stored and ready to be used when the CTA displays to different visitors. After clicking Save, give the page a moment to update and confirm that the smart rules or smart version appear as expected in the editor. And that covers everything you need to know. You navigated to your CTAs, selected the CTA to edit, created smart rules, configured the segment-specific content or redirect URL, and saved to apply the changes. That is all there is to it.